Okay, let's go.
Hi everyone, welcome you all to our YouTube channel Daily Dose with ND&YD. It's me ND here with another exciting video. After reaching Japan, actually my sister YD has been settling in beautifully and we are eagerly waiting to share her new adventure with you all. From experiencing her first snowfall to managing her daily routine in a brand new environment, it's been an exciting journey for her. Now let's dive into one of her everyday activities, grocery shopping in Japan. Today we are exploring something really special, grocery shopping in Japan, and YD heading to a Japanese supermarket to buy fresh items, groceries for her daily lives. ඉතින් අපි මේ බලන්නේ අද අපේ නංගි ජපානයේ සුපර් මාකට් එකකට ගිහිල්ලා යාගේ අවශ්‍ය කරන දේවල් ගන්න අතරතුරේදී කැප්චර් කරගත්ත වීඩියෝ කීපයක්. ඒ වගේම තමයි මේ කාලවකවානුවේ යාලට ගොඩක් එයා ඉන්න නගරයට ගොඩක් විශේෂයෙන්ම හිම පතනය වෙනවා. ඉතින් ස්නෝ එක එයා කරන එක activities කීපයකුත් අපි වීඩියෝ එකකින් ඉස්සරහට ගෙන්න බලාපොරොත්තු වෙමින් ඉන්නවා. I think something special news for you all. So here YD will show the viewer walking around picking fresh vegetables and groceries, capturing the varieties. So yeah, from fresh vegetables to all sort of unique items, Japan has everything and it's so easy to find. You can feel the energy and the freshness as soon as you step into the stores. But it was not just about the shopping today. After our little grocery adventure, YD and her friends had an amazing experience at their temple. ඉතින් අපේ රටේ වගේම තමයි ජපානයේත් තියෙන පන්සල් වලට ගිහිල්ලා ඒක ගොඩක් peaceful තැනක්. ඉතින් it's peaceful, calming and a great way to connect with the culture. ඒ දේවලුත් මේගොල්ලෝ ඒ රටට ගියාට පස්සේ අත්විඳා මුලින්ම. ඉතින් ඒ වීඩියෝ කීපයකුත් තමයි ඔයාලට අද අපි අරගෙන ඇවිල්ලා තියෙන්නේ. අපේ වීඩියෝ කීපයක එකතුවක් අද අරන් ඇවිල්ලා තියෙන්නේ. ඒ වගේම තමයි කියනෝනේ තාම විශේෂ පණිවිඩයකුත් අපිට මේ වීඩියෝ එකේදී ඉස්සරහට කියන්න බලාපොරොත්තු වෙමින් ඉන්නවා. ඉතින් ඒකටත් අපිත් එක්ක එකතු වෙලා ඉන්න දිගටම මේ වීඩියෝ එකත් එක්ක. Also, YD will show peaceful movement at the temple, maybe capturing some kind of calming surrounding with her friends, such as, calming experience, the peaceful mind and the unique feeling of serenity and the Japan culture is here. ඊට පස්සේ අපි බලමු ජපාන් සිටි එකකදී තියෙන පොඩි festive vibe එක කොහොමද කියලා. Then the adventure continued with the fun outdoor event in the city. The streets were alive with music, people walking around, and there was so much energy in the air. Japan's public spaces always feel like a festival with something exciting happening everywhere. Such a vibe, right? So YD will show footages of people enjoying the outdoor event, showcasing musicians, people walking, and the vibrant atmosphere of the city. People from all walks of life, the vibe was electric. This is truly a place where cultures come together to create something beautiful. ඉතින් අපි අපේ වීඩියෝ එකේ කියව ටිකක් විශේෂ දෙයක් අද කියනවා කියලා. In the end, newly opened place. And now, drum roll please, let's talk about something really exciting. Today we are introducing a newly opened Sri Lankan grocery store right here in Sendai, Japan. This is a game changer, bringing all those familiar, taste spices from back home directly to Japan, from Sri Lankan spices to the freshest ingredients. This place has it all. YD will show the inside of the store, highlighting fresh items, Sri Lankan spices and other groceries, also include the clips of their grand opening ceremony showing the excitement of the event. Actually, whether you are cooking a delicious curry or just looking for a little piece of home, this shop has everything you need to make your meals even more special with the Sri Lankan taste whenever, wherever, if you are in Japan also. And don't miss out, we have got some grand opening moments to share with you all. Also, we will add all the directions and contact details in our description box of the video, so you can follow these things, or else you can contact them. Maybe they will arrange the time to visit and buying whatever you need which is related to Sri Lankan items. Before we go, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Daily Dose with ND&YD. Hit that bell icon so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Comment below to let us know what you think of today's adventures. We are excited to share some fun content with you all in Japan as well as Sri Lanka also. Stay tuned for the next adventure. So we will come with another video. Until then, bye bye.